Welcome to Techlearners. In today's lesson, we will talk about some more problem into string handling. So let's talk about this problem number 3 in string handling. Input a sentence in lowercase and change the first letter of every word to uppercase and then display the string. So let's see how the input will be. If the input is "You are at Techlearners," then the output will be like this Y of the first word, the first character of the first word will be capitalized, then this A will be capitalized, this A will be capitalized, and then this T will also be capitalized. That means each first character of the word has to be capitalized. So let's understand the logic first, then we will see the program. According to the logic, we need to input a sentence. We can use scanner for the purpose. Then we will convert this sentence into lowercase using tolowercase method that is available into string class. Then we can display the lowercase sentence. After displaying, we need to add a space in the beginning of the sentence. This is an important step most commonly performed in string handling problems where we have to work with the words. Now we will find out the length of the sentence and then we will take a character C. We also take a new string, that is to store the output string. Now we need to run the loop from I is equal to 0 to length -1. Inside the loop we need to extract each character of the string, that is at index I. And now we need to check if the character is a space. If the character is a space, that means the next character will be the first character of the new word. So in that case, we have to operate on the next character. For that, we have taken the next character. So now in this line, we are building new string with new string is equal to new string plus, and we are adding a space because the current character is a space, so we will add a space, and then we will add the next character that can be obtained by I plus 1. So this will be the next character, and we need to capitalize the next character, which can be done by subtracting 32 from the character. So this is a simple logic, converting any character into its upper case. Here the ASCII code logic is used behind this. Let's understand what is ASCII code logic. We know that each character has a specific ASCII code, and we know that the coding of characters capital A to capital Z is from 65 to 90. That means capital A is 65, capital B will be 66, capital C will be 67, and so on till capital Z is equal to 90. And small characters, that is small a to small z, have 97 to 122. That means small a will be 97, small b will be 98, small c will be 99, and so on till small z is 122. So let's see, if we subtract 32 from this 97, then we will reach at 65. So this is how we can convert a small a into capital A. We just need to subtract 32 from the character, and then we need to obtain the new ASCII code, which will be of its equivalent capital. Similarly, if you can see for the Z, this is 122, and if we subtract 32 from this 122, then we reach 90. That is the ASCII code for the capital Z. So this is the logic we are using here. In the character code, we are subtracting 32. So that means if this is a small a, so this will be 97, and we will subtract from 97 32, then we will reach to 65. So the resultant of this code will be 65. Now we need to convert this back into a char. For that we will use typecasting. So this 65 ASCII code will be typecasted back to the character, its equivalent character, that is capital A. In this way, we can convert each character from small to capital. So this is how we are converting the first character of new word into capital and then building this new str. Obviously, if this condition is true, then we need to increment the I by one more so that it will skip this space as well as the next character. Else, if it is not a space, then we will simply add the character into the new string, and then we can simply display the new str. So let's go into the program and see how we can code this problem into Java. So this is string program 3. I have used a scanner for the input, so we can simply message the user, please input a sentence, and then we'll be helped with the help of the scanner object and next line method. We will be inputting the sentence into string s. The next step is to convert this s into lowercase, which we can do with the help of the lowercase method available into string class, and after that we can append a space. So that is why we have written this space before the sentence. So before the sentence, this space is appended, and now we have this new s that has a space in the beginning and is all in lowercase. Now we can take another string st where we are building our output string, our resultant string. Now we can find out the length of the string with the help of the length method that is available into the string class. Now we need to run the loop from I is equal to 0 till I is less than len. Inside the loop, we will be extracting characters one by one. So this is done with the help of charAt method, which is also available into the string class. So with the help of the charAt method, we can extract the character at index I that will be stored into ch. Now we will check whether this character is a space. If this is a space, then we have to convert the next character into capital and append that into the string. So inside the if, we need to convert the next character. How we can achieve the next character? With the help of I plus 1. As the current index is I, so the next index will be available with I plus 1. So we are fetching the next character. Then with the help of the ASCII values, we will subtract minus 32 and will convert into capital and then converting back into the char. So this will be the next char that is converted into capital letter. And after that, we need to append this string st is equal to st plus a space, as ch holds a space, and then plus next capitalized character. And then we will increment this. Why we are incrementing? Because we need to skip two characters. One automatically will be skipped with the help of this I plus plus in the loop, and one we are skipping here as we have already converted the next character into capital A, and we are appending two characters at once, a space and the next capitalized character. If it is not a space, then it's a normal character, and we will simply append this normal character into the string. st is equal to st plus ch. In the last, we have appended, and yes, I have used this trim function also, st.trim. So if there is a space added at the end of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence, which we have added here, if you remember, so we will be using trim function to eliminate this space we had added earlier before the sentence. So let's execute this program and see the output of the program and check whether our working is fine, whether our program is working fine. So let me compile this program, let me execute this program. So it is asking to enter a sentence, so let me write this is tech learners, and on inputting enter you can see this is our resultant statement. So the first letter of each word here is capitalized. So this is how we can solve the given problem. I hope you have understood this problem. In the coming lessons, we will be taking some more such problems. Tune into the channel, subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button and hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications of upcoming videos. And do not forget to comment in which topic you want next video. Thanks a lot.